Hi everyone, with me today I have the cutest picture frame. It is going to make the perfect gift for any mom. On one side it has a heart that says Mama Bear, and you can see the little bears, and it spins around on the other side. It says, "My every moment spent with you is diamonds for me." I think that is such a sweet message to send to any mom, and you can put in two pictures so it spins around so you can see both of them. As you can see here on the side, it has a slit. That's where you're going to insert the pictures, and they're going to send you the protective film. Of course, you got to remove that when you're about to place the picture, and every picture should be 4 by 6. So I already printed mine out, and I can go ahead and place it there to give to my mom. And as you can see, there's a picture on both ends, so you're just going to insert with the film on the outside. Super easy to put in, and then you can go ahead and spin it 360 so your mom can see two pictures. I definitely would suggest putting a picture maybe of you when you were little with your mom and then all grown up. I think that is such a cute little transition from childhood to adulthood. It makes for such a great present, whether it is her birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day. This is perfect for every mom, and it's going to look so pretty displayed. Check this out. I got mine off Amazon.